Hello guys, Standard 8, Chapter number 13, Chemical Effects of Current. So guys, in the previous two videos, we have discussed about the structure of an atom. We have discussed about the proton, electron and neutron. Right. Then transfer of electrons. So in that case, positive charges were negative charges also. When we comb hair, so what happens? There will be two charges, positive charge on our hair and negative charge on comb. That we have discussed about that ki how positive charge attracts to the negative charges. Then about conductors and insulators. So the conductor, that means what? That passes electricity easily. An insulator that does not allow to pass electricity, it is called as insulators. Then conventional current and electron current. So conventional currents, that means flow of current from positive terminal to negative terminal. This is called as conventional current. And electron current, so flow of electron, it is from negative terminal to positive terminal. Then we have discussed about the liquid, how it conducts electricity. Then about testers, one activity, then light emitting diode, right, that we have discussed. Now, so guys, let's discuss about today's topic. It is that water is conductor of electricity or insulator. So guys, there are two types of the ways ki water is conductor or not. So if we discuss about pure water, so pure water, that means distilled water. So in the distilled water, ya to pure water, there is no free ions, right? So this is not possible to flow electricity through it. But if we add few salt, so water have free ions. So now salty water is called as good conductor of electricity, because salt means sodium chloride, NaCl. When we add sodium chloride in water, there will be free ions. That's why now water will be impure and it conducts electricity. So look at in third paragraph. Here we can see that in the salt solution, that means in NaCl का solution, जब अंदर water में electricity pass होती है, then what happens? So in the theory we have learned about that what is anion and cation, then what is anode and cathode. So what happens? In the salt solution there are Na plus and Cl minus. So during the process, when we pass electricity through the salt solution, look at here, left side is anode, right side is cathode, and in the salt solution Na plus and Cl minus is there. So when electricity will pass through it, negative ions, that means Cl minus ions, will be attracted towards anode, and Na plus, that means the positive ions, will be attracted towards cathode, right. So this will be the process when electricity will pass through the impure water, that means in salty water, and this process is called as electrolysis. Now look at in the second paragraph. most of the water which runs on the surface of ground, so it is called as impure water, right? And when it runs on the surface of ground, there are so many salts, not only sodium chloride but magnesium chloride and other salt solution, other salt will dissolve in the water. So there are too much impurity and enough impurities and enough salt present in water. Now this water will be conductor of electricity, right? That's why need to take care when electric appliances is near the water. We do not touch electrical appliances with the wet hand, right? Whatever normal water is around us, it is a conductor of electricity. Now look at here 13.5 diagram, right? In that case we can see okay, before that one, look at the last paragraph. Water also spreads very easily. So during the flood, what the care should be taken? So during the flood there is run of water, right? So again there are too much impurities present and dissolved in the water. That's why it is called as conductor. So during the flood time, need to care is called as electrocutions, and we should not touch any of the electrical appliances during the flood time also. Now look at the diagram. Here is tester. Tester, that means one lemon is given here and one copper strip and zinc strip. Push in the lemon, then clamp it. So this is called as one type of the mini battery. Here one of the strip behaves like an anode and one of strip behaves like cathode, and one will be the positive terminal and one will be the negative terminal, and we will get little only very much little amount of voltage from this lemon, right? So here lemon juice, it is called as citric acid. So it is little source of electricity. So guys, let's discuss about the electrolysis. So in the previous topic on the page number 218, in that topic we have discussed about the anion and cation. So let's revise it. As shown in the diagram, as shown in the picture, there are two types of ions present in solution in electrolyte. So whatever solutions we are using over here, it is called as electrolytic solution, and there are two types of ion, positive ion and negative ions, right? So first of all, what is electrolysis process? So we can see over here battery, it is here with battery with positive terminal, anode is connected, with negative terminal cathode is connected, right? That means what is anode and cathode? Whatever plate, whatever metal which is connected with anode, which is connected with a positive terminal, it is called as anode, and whatever terminal which is connected with a negative terminal metal is called as the cathode, right? Actually what happens when current passes through the diagram, that means through this here to here, from positive to negative terminal, what happens? The ions which are present here, right, positive and negative. So here negative ions will be attracted towards the anode, right? So These negative ions are called as anion, and positive ions which will be attracted towards cathode, this is called as cation. So again I repeat, during the process when electricity will pass through this electrolytic solution, what happens? There are two types the ions present in solution, positive and negative. So negative ions which will be attracted towards anode, so this is called as anion, and positive ions which will be attracted towards cathode, it is called as cation. So learn the definition of anion and cation, right? What is anode and what is cathode? Don't make any types of the mistakes, या तो don't be confused about the anion and cation. हमें इतना ही याद रखना है यहाँ पे कि एनोड की ओर एट्रैक्ट होने वाला आयन इज कॉल्ड एज एनायन, कैथोड की साइड एट्रैक्ट होने वाला आयन इज कॉल्ड एज कैटायन. सो यहाँ पे एनोड की साइड नेगेटिव आयंस विल बी एट्रैक्टेड, तो नेगेटिव आयंस आर कॉल्ड एज एनायन, और कैथोड की साइड पॉजिटिव आयंस विल बी एट्रैक्टेड, सो इट इज कॉल्ड एज cation. Here anode and cathode both are called as electrode, right? So this process is called as electrolysis. Now what is today's homework? In homework page number 220, solve the fill-ups and true and false in textbook. Okay guys, thank you, have a nice day. Okay guys, let's discuss about uses of electrolysis. So there are so many uses of electrolysis in science and in industries. So first one, it is refining of metals. So guys, as we know that there is ore, right, which we get from the soil, which we get from the earth, which is mixture of different types of the metal and with impurities. So here metals like zinc, copper, aluminium are refined by the electrolysis process. So in that case, what should be done? So let's discuss here. Suppose we want to get pure copper, right, and we have impure copper. So from impure copper, this is called as ore. That means कि कॉपर की इम्प्यूरिटीज़, कॉपर जो ज़मीन में से मिक्सर के साथ मिला, इट इज़ कॉल्ड एज कॉपर पायराइट. कॉपर पायराइट इज़ अ इम्प्योर फॉर्म ऑफ कॉपर, जिसके अंदर सल्फाइड की इम्प्यूरिटीज़ प्रेजेंट होती है. तो कॉपर पायराइट का फॉर्मूला विल बी Cu2S. आई रिपीट, कॉपर पायराइट का केमिकल फॉर्मूला विल बी Cu2S. दैट्स वाई इट इज़ कॉल्ड एज कॉपर की सल्फाइड वाली इम्प्यूरिटीज़ जो ज़मीन में से मिलती है. तो आउट ऑफ दिस इम्प्योर कॉपर, हाउ टू गेट द प्योर कॉपर, राइट? तो इट इज़ डन बाय द प्रोसेस ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोलिसिस. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, इम्प्योर कॉपर का सब्सटेंसेस या तो कॉपर पायराइट वाली इम्प्योरिटीज विल बी कनेक्टेड विथ बैटरी एज ए एनोड. दैट मीन्स लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे कॉपर पायराइट एनोड के जैसे बिहेव करेगा. वी हैव टू कनेक्ट ओवर देयर. देन प्योर कॉपर की स्ट्रिप मस्ट बी कनेक्टेड विथ कैथोड एज ए कैथोड. with a negative terminal, with minus terminal of the battery, right, मतलब राइट हैंड साइड पे. देन सॉल्यूशन की बात करें, इलेक्ट्रोलाइटिक सॉल्यूशन. सो गाइस, इन द इलेक्ट्रोलिसिस प्रोसेस इट हैज़ बीन एक्सप्लेन्ड दैट कि जो प्योर फॉर्म में हमें चाहिए उसका सोल्ड सॉल्यूशंस वी विल यूज ओवर हियर. सो यहाँ पर कॉपर हमें चाहिए, तो कॉपर का सोल्ड सॉल्यूशन विल बी CuSO4, कॉपर सल्फेट, राइट. सो हियर कॉपर सल्फेट का सोल्ड सॉल्यूशन विल बी यूज एज अ इलेक्ट्रोलिटिक सॉल्यूशन. अगेन आई रिपीट, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे इम्प्योर कॉपर मतलब कि कॉपर पाइराइट Cu2S जो एनोड के जैसे बिहेव करेगा. राइट हैंड साइड नेगेटिव टर्मिनल ऑफ द बैटरी इट इज़ देयर, it is pure copper की strip which behaves like a cathode. Now what happens when electricity will pass through this circuit? That means positive terminal to left hand side, then into solution, then to the cathode, then negative terminal तक पहुँचेगी. तो during this process लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में से एनोड में से कॉपर के आयन्स विल बी रिलीज्ड एंड विल डिपोजिट ऑन कॉपर स्ट्रिप ऑन कैथोड एट राइट हैंड साइड, राइट. तो कॉपर के जितने भी आयन लेफ्ट हैंड साइड से निकलेंगे दैट विल बी डिपोजिटेड ऑन कैथोड इन राइट हैंड साइड. सो स्लोली द लेफ्ट हैंड वाली स्ट्रिप, एनोड वाली स्ट्रिप विल बिकम very thin after some times, and right hand side cathode wali strip will be little thicker, and whatever impurities which was present in anode, right, in left hand side, it will be fall down at bottom, right. And as a impurities if we discuss, there might be gold also, there might be silver also, which will be collected at the bottom of the beaker, bottom of the container. So by this way there will be continuous process, and this process will be for few hours. So what happens, there will be certain and one deposition of copper we will see on the surface of cathode, and anode will be very thin, cathode will be more thicker. So this process is called as electrolysis process, right. So first of all, in the uses of this electrolysis, it is useful to purification of, it is called as refining process of metal. We can use another metal also over here. Suppose कि I want pure iron Fe. So pure iron का और if I have, तो आई विल कनेक्ट इट एट एनोड. मैं इम्प्योर आयन का पीस लेके एनोड की ओर कनेक्ट करूँगा और कैथोड के ऊपर प्योर आयन का पीस मतलब कि स्ट्रिप लगाऊंगा. देन सॉल्यूशन विल बी फेरस सल्फेट FeSO4, राइट. दिस इज़ द प्रोसेस. दैट मीन्स जो मेटल हमें चाहिए उसका सोल्ड सॉल्यूशन will be useful in the electrolysis process. Now second point, production of oxygen from water for use in spacecraft. So from water by the electrolysis process oxygen will be removed and it will be collected in the spacecraft. So by the electrolysis process what happens, there will be two types of the gases will be generated, right? Hydrogen gas and oxygen gas. So in the oxygen gas will be collected and will be stored in a cylinder, which will be useful in a space station, and in space station this process will be continued because in space there is no air. That's why this out of this water oxygen will be collected and will be separated and releases, right? And there is oxygen generation system in which oxygen will be reused and it will be purified from water vapor and urine. So again this oxygen will be useful. Third one, sodium metal and chlorine gas. Now guys, as we know that there is very less amount of chlorine gas is present in air. So how can we get chlorine gas and sodium metal? So we have one substance, it is called as salt. The salt, that means NaCl. So by the electrolysis process sodium metal will be extracted and chlorine gas also, right? And which is useful in as a commercial or scientific purposes. Then production of hydrogen gas, because hydrogen is a calorific value of hydrogen is more than any other fuels, right? So this gas have high calorific value. So hydrogen gas is useful in a rocket, in rocket science, or in boosters of GSLV or PSLV, right? Then it is about electroplating. So electrolysis process का formula, that means this phenomena is useful in electroplating. In electroplating means what? Same procedure, एक मेटल के ऊपर दूसरी मेटल का कवर लगाना. दिस इज कॉल्ड एज इलेक्ट्रोप्लेटिंग इन सिंपल लैंग्वेज, राइट? तो this we will discuss in the next video, right?